Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a personal details form in HTML. So let's begin. You can see I've already written some text like HTML head, title and body. Now I will write form. Then after writing form, I will write label. And in label, I will write name. Then after closing the label tag, I will give BR. Then I will give input type. Input type will be text. Then I will write name. Name will be the same name. Then I will write required. Then I will give BR. And then I will again start another label tag. In this label tag, I will write email. Now input type will be email. Name will be email. And then I will write required. Then I will again start a label tag, and this will be phone number. Then I will close the label tag, and then I will write input type will be password. Then name will be contact, sorry, phone number. Now I will start another label, and this will be gender. Now for gender, I will create 3 radio buttons. So first I will give input type. In type I will give rate, and then I will give name, gender, and value will be male. I will write male, then enter. You can see the male radio button is made here. Now I will make a radio button for female gender. Input type will be again the same radio. and name will be gender, the same, and this time the value will be female. Now I will make another radio button for other. Type radio, name will be gender, then value will be other. And now I will write other. You can see the three radio buttons are made: male, female, and other. Now I will create the submit and reset buttons. So I will give input type equals to submit, and then value equals to submit. Then I will create a reset button. Input type reset, value equals to reset. You can see the submit and reset buttons are made. Now let us check it. First name I will give my name, then email I will give the email, and for now I will give random numbers like 876. Now for gender I will select male and then submit. My details are submit. Now let me give the name and email again. Now if I click reset, you can see it resets the name and email. And this is how you create a form in HTML. And if you like the video and learn something new, please consider like, share and subscribe. Thank you.